Right guys, today we have a massive cube unboxing from speedcubing.org, so let's get into it. Let me just show you everything I've gotten. You can see this is what's inside. I brought quite a lot of stuff. I'm not showing you guys my address, obviously. We have the Shengshou FTO, the Qi Emperor 2x2 ball core, some Qi 3x3, got both of those which we're going to be reviewing. Oh yes, the diansheng kilominx, and finally the Fangsin 2x3. And also we got the, according to Daniel, the final edition of the Cubing Quarterly. So this is basically a whole book all about cubes. Also, shout out to Daniel from speedcubing.org for making a video about packing my order. This goes to him. And definitely go check out his store and support him, because this was actually a very quick delivery, seeing as there was a bank holiday weekend. So this is the box, as you can see. You just open it, like, oh well, there we go, perfect unboxing. As you can see, it looks like a 3x3 from the top, but then, look at that. That is honestly so cool. Apparently he's made a tutorial on it, but one thing I want to see is what it looks like in checkerboard. Wait, what, how do I put this into checkerboard? Wait. Understand, there we go. That's really cool, as you can see. I have to definitely, it looks like a pretty cool puzzle overall. Tutorial on this. There we go. So that is pretty cool. I definitely think the pink stickering honestly looks kind of cool, and this was about £5, which I'm going to put it into euros because most of my viewers are apparently from countries that use euros, so I'm pretty sure this would be about €6 maybe, something like that. But yeah, there you go, 2x3x4. I'll just put this here. Just kind of bought it because I need an FTO. This was the cheapest option. This is the Shengshou FTO, and I got the non-magnetic version because I'm a budgeter. But anyway, they do have a magnetic version, but apparently, this apparently pops a lot. Oh my god, that's slippery. So here it is, the Shengshou FTO. So this came in at £8, which is about €9, and yeah, as you can tell, it's not the best, but seeing as I'm absolutely horrible at FTO, in fact, I barely know how to solve an FTO, I think this would be a fine beginner's FTO. To be honest, I didn't expect premium turning. It is better than the Lan. Like, definitely better than the Lan. But you get what you pay for with this, basically. It doesn't feel actually too bad. I guess it's probably... yeah, it does feel like it's going to pop, but... you could probably fix that by adjusting the tensions, which you can see there is a screw inside there, so you can adjust the tensions. Let me just quickly get this out. There you go. I've made a little rip in the plastic, so we should just be able to peel this all off and get into the tube. Okay, I got it. There we go. Just quickly get it out. It's plastic. So I got the stickered one. I just thought I don't have many stickered cubes in my collection, so why not, in case you are wondering why I got a stickered one. Well, I can also do a review. Okay, first impressions, this is quite dry. I can feel factory lube, but not that much. Let's just do a quick solve. And just quickly open it. How do I open this? Please just open. Please. Oh, I opened it. There we go. Apparently there's other stuff down there to adjust the cube with, because apparently it has kind of two ways of adjusting it, like a dual adjustment system kind of thing. So first impressions, this cube feels really light. First turns. Oh my goodness. All my 2x2s are kind of bad, so this literally feels like heaven for me. let's do a quick solve. It is quite lubey, so it feels a little slow out of the box. Oops. Feels a little slow out of the box, but that could probably be fixed quite easily with the adjustment system. Yeah, I'm not used to that. That was an 8, pretty bad for me. So like I average about 6 seconds. So let's just try one more time and see if we can just get my average time. Let's have a look. That looks good. There we go, 6.50. That's pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to go and do something. Let's just quickly open this. So this is apparently the best kilominx. So if you don't know what kilominx is, it's basically a 2i3 megaminx, which obviously I have multiple 2i3 megaminxes. So yeah, let's just have a look. There we go. Put them nicely, and there is your FTO. So this one, I got the black internals one. So let's turn that in just a second too. And the instructions. Probably not going to need instructions, but let's do some first terms, some algorithms. That's pretty good. How quickly I could do it. That feels really good though. This is my first kilominx, and I could probably definitely, most likely solve it without any help, but we will probably do a live stream doing that. So yeah, that is way smaller than I thought as well. Like, the packaging's so big for how small this cube is, but I guess they have to present it well. You know what, let's try and do a quick solve right now. Let's try. So this is apparently the best FTO, so we're definitely going to be. Okay, right, that looks like a pretty good scramble. I've never done an FTO solve before, so this is definitely going to be interesting. Let's just scramble it a bit more. I can see some blocks that are still there. Right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, I'm assuming that I'm going to have to make things off. And a 52, that is a good start. I think I could definitely get good at kilominx. Definitely seems like a really fun event. Not event, what am I talking about? It seems like a really fun cube, and yeah. That is gonna round up the unboxing video for today. If you do want to see more unboxings, definitely subscribe to the channel. If this video gets 1,000 views, I will attempt to solve this FTO here without any help. I've not actually gotten a long form video with 1,000 views, but I have 1,000 subscribers, so surely we can do that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me get, wait, where do all my cubes go? Oh no, there's one right here. I just forgot what it looks like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.